I moved into this apartment 2 weeks ago. It's small, old, cheap but quiet, or at least, it was. A few nights ago, I started hearing this weird scratching through the bedroom wall. Slow, deliberate, always between 2 and 3 a.m. I figured it was rats or maybe bad plumbing. But last night, I heard something different. Breathing, deep, steady, right behind the wall. I knocked once just to see. The breathing stopped instantly, then something knocked back. 3 slow taps, perfectly spaced, like it was mimicking me. I asked the landlord today, who lived next door. He just said, that unit's been empty for months. I didn't believe him at first. So I checked the mailboxes. 6B had no name. Just scratch marks on the slot. That night, I couldn't sleep. Around 2:15 a.m., the sound started again, scratching, breathing, then footsteps. But the wall is solid. No hallway there. I put my ear against it and heard whispering. Not in any language I recognized. My lights flickered. My phone started recording on its own. And then I heard something say, in perfect English, "Stop listening." I jumped back. The wall sounded wet, like something was moving behind it. I grabbed a flashlight and went outside to knock on 6B's door. It opened on its own. Inside was pitch black. No furniture, no smell, just darkness and cold. I should have left, but something pulled me forward. I shined my light around nothing. Then I saw the wall, my wall. From the other side, it was covered in long scratches, deep and fresh, and in the middle was a hole. Circular, like something had burrowed through. I leaned in close. I wish I hadn't. Inside, I saw an eye huge, black, watching me. The thing blinked sideways. Then something clicked, and I felt breath on my face from the hole. Wet, fast, like it was excited. I ran, slammed the door, and didn't stop until morning. I told the landlord everything. He didn't look surprised. Just said, "Don't acknowledge it. That's how it gets in." 6B is sealed now, with thick metal and locks I've never seen before. But last night, I heard it again, scratching. But this time, it wasn't from the wall. It was under my bed.